Welcome back, and thanks for choosing to watch this. If this is your very first time here, I would like to welcome you here on this platform. We share practical tips on how to become attractive to riches and wealth. And we have interviews with people who have made it, people who are just making it, and they share their challenges and a few tips on how they have made it. But if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you're watching from YouTube, if you're watching from Instagram, Twitter or Facebook, be sure to follow us and give it a thumbs up. We appreciate, and leave a comment down below. We shall be in position of responding to you. Thank you again. I would like to welcome back Ugandans from the period of elections. I know it's not yet done, but I think the biggest part is finished now. And we can get back to doing business. As always, if you are the person who would like to accumulate wealth, you're in the right place. We welcome you and we appreciate your presence here. The last time we shared a little bit of something that I dubbed how I beat a car in a race. How I beat a car in a race. I shared about 3 tips on how you can secure your portion of the market in whatever you do. And the first one was pick the racetrack. The second one, stay in your lane. Then the third one, know your race. Today, we're going to do number 4, number 5, and number 6. Well, let's get on with it. Number 4, be flexible. So many things have changed. Business is no longer done the way it used to be done those days, and things move really fast. Now, the more flexible you are in changing your ways, changing to the patterns, changing to the type of people, consumption patterns, you're going to have a lot of trouble doing business. Number 5, be fast. The only way you're going to dominate the market in which you are is if you are fast enough, because you are either a single person or a small business. It doesn't really take that much to make decisions compared to a big company. So make quick decisions and execute it as fast as you can. Number 6, which is the last tip. Fail fast, fail often, fail forward. How do you do this? Never fear to fail. Failure is going to be part of doing business, whether you like it or not. And if you've started doing something, I'm pretty sure you have gone through it already. You have failed at doing something. But failure can be taken as experience. The next time you start again, it's not going to be the same way that you started from before. So that's it. Do not fear to fail. Fail as fast as you can. Have very many things that are experimental, and never let failure set you back. There you have it. Number 4, be flexible. Number 5, be fast. Number 6, fail fast, fail often, and fail forward. Thanks again for listening. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment down below. We'll be very happy to reply to you. If you have any question, if you have any follow-up on the tips that are shared today, be sure to leave them in the comment section down below. Otherwise, thank you. I'll see you the next time we do this. Bye-bye.